Scott, president of Wubbers Jewelry Making Tools. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Wubbers ring and hoop press to take your standard shapes and turn them into something that'll really pop and stand out. We're using 18 gauge wire that we've formed around our Wubbers jumbo round mandrel pliers, and we've soldered or fused it shut. Now to use your press, I'm using this scallop tin pattern. You have a top piece. You have your outer shell that holds the two top and bottom pieces together, and here's the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this peg and align it with the groove and just slide it in there. Now we're going to take our ring and put it in the middle of the press. Put the top on. I've got to see there. There we go. And using a weighted rawhide mallet, we're going to hammer the top. Open that up and look at that. That's so pretty. Look at that piece. Love that. And I love the versatility of this press because you can also take, we used the extra large square mandrel pliers and we formed a square. Again, with 18 gauge wire, we fused or soldered it shut. Again, you just align that peg with the groove. Put your piece in the center. The top on and hammer. Ooh, so pretty. There's our square and our circle. Look at that. Oh, look at that. You can put those two pieces together. It's great to do rings. So those smaller rings, these two have been fused together, or you can stack. Here's an earring where we've taken a hammered square and put it in the center. There, you can see that a little better. There's another earring. We've taken a larger square. And here's a necklace where we've just incorporated several of the circles throughout the wire wrapped beads, and we hung dangles in the middle. It's a beautiful necklace. Look at that. But so much versatility with this ring and hoops press. And to find out more how to use it, you can visit us at wubbersu.com and like us on Facebook.